In this guide, I will show you how to turn off Instagram notifications on the lock screen of your Samsung Galaxy phone. If you want to prevent notifications from appearing on the lock screen and thus maintain your privacy and reduce distractions, this tutorial is ideal for you. Follow my simple steps and stay until the end of this video. So, here's how to do it. The first thing you need to do is open Settings. Then, scroll down until you see the Notifications option and tap on it. When you are in the Notification settings, tap on the first option, App Notifications. Now, you need to find the Instagram app, which you can easily do by tapping the search icon in the top right corner. In the search bar, type Instagram and then tap on the app. Once you open the notification settings for Instagram, in the Notification Types section, you will see three options. Tap the square that says Lock Screen to turn off notifications on the lock screen. And that's it. Notifications will no longer be visible while the phone is locked. This will provide you with greater privacy since no one will be able to see notifications until you unlock your phone. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. See you soon.